Good morning. Where were we? Let's see. Oh, well, you're not very chatty, you lot, are you? You comment, yeah, but you don't chat much and say, give us any ideas of what you like or you dislike, anything else. We'll do a loose one, shall we? I've just had my breakfast and seen to the wife's breakfast, and I've got a cup of tea here, and I will do a bit of painting while I've got an hour to spare. I do this painting every morning. I don't do any more painting, practice, anything like this. Is all I do. Let's think, what we're going to do now, what we're going to do. I'll tell you what, I don't know what we're doing, but I think we're going to do a Norfolk landscape. So let's mix some yellow and blue, yeah. Yeah, a bit of card yellow and blue, and we'll just bring it across here and then across here like that, and bring it up a bit higher like that and there, and that's it for now. Let's get some bit of umber in it. Yeah, well, I'll tell you what, let's put a little bit of lighter green further back. Yeah, there's somewhere about here. Just a swathe of a field there. Yeah. I'm going to get some blue now. Let's get some blue. And we'll just, you know, if we're doing a loose painting, I won't try and make it one with a sky that's not loose, you know what I mean? Well, I mean, it'd have to be have a loose painting with a very, very complicated sky, wouldn't it? Eh? So what do? We just have a bit of a less complicated sky, don't we? Because one won't mix with the other, will it? You know what I'm talking about? I'm saying, like, you can't have a complicated detailed sky with a loose painting. Oh, what was I saying? Oh, what have you had for breakfast this morning? I'll tell you what I've had. Oh, oh, Quaker oats, put some milk in it, put it in the microwave, yeah. Oh, for 2 or 3 minutes, yeah. And then have a spoonful of honey with it, and that's for my breakfast, followed by a toast butter, yeah. Now the toast butter, I put on jam, yeah. But the jam I love, and I've been using it for a while, is rhubarb and ginger. Excuse me, rhubarb and ginger. Have you ever tried that rhubarb and ginger? Oh, I can't leave it alone. I have it every morning. What do you have? You never say, you lot, do you? I am getting some of my Patreon group talking, but and chatting now and again. But God blimey, you lot, it's hopeless. You're hopeless lot. You're hopeless. Now just let that dry for a minute. Wherever I'm hoping not blocking it off with my head. I hope not. put something across here. Try and keep things nice and clean. Okay. Now then, let's bring a distant tail in. A bit further than that. That's fine, that. Oh, yep, that's it. Now let's see what we're doing. A bit of umber, a bit of Payne's grey. Yeah. Okay there. No.